Right then, welcome back. Today working on the inside of the car as we wait for parts to arrive for the engine. So seat and front half of the cage need to come out. I've already done the other side, but the reason all this is coming out is to get the dash out. There's a lot of weight behind the dash that we can take out. And that's the key to being up with the power to weight ratio. So yeah, I'll just crack on. It's one thing, if anybody has a suggestion for something different to this, so this is what we're using for the foam paddy stuff over the cage. This long acre, can't remember where we bought it from, but as you can see it's a bit like worn and it's split in the middle and it just doesn't look very good. Like I wanted to get coloured stuff, but it seems very hard to find colour stuff that's fire retardant and FIA approved. So that's what the regs state. They state that this stuff is going to be fire retardant and FIA approved, which this is. A lot of people that you see online seem to just be using what looks like pool noodles, which is all well and good, but no my luck, if I put pool noodles in the car, nice red pool noodles, the first set of scrutiny then we would call up on it, and you know, the regs do state that anywhere where, not so much here, but certainly up here, anywhere where your helmet gets near needs to have this stuff. Like it doesn't look too bad at the top here, but it's not really a high wearing bit, but you can see where like obviously our knees and our feet rub against this will be getting in and out, same with here. Yeah, it just doesn't look very good, so if anybody's got a suggestion for something different that's a bit more hard wearing, that's still FIA approved and fire retardant, then just write it in the comments. That's a dash stripped down to nothing, as you can see. I think I've found all the bolts and screws and hidden things. There was one hidden right up in here, but I think that's all. So in theory, I should be able to just maybe not. The rest of it's loose. Give me 2 minutes. Right then, it just took a bit of brute force to pull it out. I think it's reasonably free now. So, part of the reason for doing it is, well, we need to get in behind everything. So we've still got all this stuff, which needs to come out. This is just like a soundproof sound deadening thing. It's really thick, it's really heavy. So I'm going to take that out. I'm going to see if we can thin down the wiring, because being a modern-ish car, there's a lot of wiring, a lot of it's unnecessary. It's just a lot of stuff in general. It's just you don't need in a race car. I messed up a bit. I broke that when I took the dash off. Don't know if I can. I might be able to fix it and glue it back together. Or just buy one. I don't know. Yeah, that's about it. So yeah, if you come around this side, look. If you go around this side, there's a lot of stuff I've been taking off the car. Look. So come into here. Come on, gimbal. There we go. So things like all this wiring here that was on like the windscreen, because we bought a Mini with a heated windscreen. I obviously don't need all that. So all this wiring here that had the auto wipers, heated windscreen, all of this, that and the other. So don't need all that. So stuff like that can go. There's like a bar here that used to hold the airbag on, that can go. Look at all the wiring there. I'm going to see if I can take this bash bar out, and then it'll give access to all the wiring. Things like the vents and stuff on this side we don't need. So yeah, I'll just take out as much as I can just to save as much weight. That's the key. So yeah, I'll see if I can take this bash bar out, or this, whatever this is, and see where we are from there. Right then, that's the bash bar thingy out. It's starting to look a bit of a mess, but getting to what I want to see. So the black stuff actually comes all the way up to the top of the dashboard here. That's the stuff I really want to get out. This is just, you can just feel it's just heavy. I don't think it's going to come out in one. I don't think I can get, without making a mess, I don't think I can get this thing out. But I might be able to cut around it. The stuff is cut around the pedals, so that's okay. I think I can loosen the wiring, cut the cable ties, loosen the wiring, and then sort of pulling that black stuff out, and then look into tighten up the wiring. So there's wiring on this side, which I don't need. Yeah, so I'll do that. Right, this looks a bit scary, but it's all good. So I've cleared away a lot of the wiring that we don't need. All that's coming into the middle of the car now is this stuff. So this is for like the 12 volt feed that we use for the GoPros and that, and also there's a feed for this plug here that feeds into this bit of loom here, which goes into the heater box, which also goes into the dash. So that's all sorted. This is my box of everything that I've taken out of the car that's saving us weight. Yeah, so let's see how much that weighs. But pretty happy with the work so far. So I think that I'll wrap this video up here. I don't know how I'll put it together, but I'll wrap this video up here. And next video we'll be working on the engine, getting all that sorted, cam and everything done. Still waiting on an engine mount to appear to get that back in, but like I say, we'll get that done next video. And you'll possibly see me putting the dash and all that back together. But yeah, pretty happy. Also still need to get out all this sound deadening stuff. So that'll be a heat gun job, but that's a bit boring to watch. I'll probably just do that on camera, just off camera, and just tell you. But yeah, that's it. We'll see you in the next video.